What's going on, guys? Chris Rudnick here, and today we're starting the day off great. Let me tell you, the truck has 2 brand new batteries. It's Wednesday, Alex is off, so I have a little buddy to hang out with, and we just walked out of the house, right? And guess what came in for the Roadster? Check it out, we are running 10s, boy. I wasn't kidding when I said I want to run a 10.9, so we got 2 slicks right here, and with slicks, we need wheels. So right after I do a couple errands, I'm gonna explain to you guys what we're doing today. I'm pretty fucking excited because the Roadster is going to be a drag car very soon. On a little lunch date with my boyfriend for the day.
Yes, sir.
I've been coloring. Throw down in the comments what you guys think of my coloring. They only gave me 3 colors, and I was pressing so hard that I snapped 2 of them, so I don't know, it was kind of fun. I did the maze too, hell yeah. All right guys, so we got the jack, we got the impact, we're filling her up with the 85, and we are off to Miami in... Oh, that's all it took? I just put 25 on here. I don't have a gas gauge, so I never know. So it just took 2 gallons, which, hey, I don't know what kind of gas mileage I get on this, so every gallon counts. But we are off to Miami to test fit something you guys probably already know. It's about to look super ignorant for Friday. Hopefully we can do it Friday because it's supposed to be like some thunderstorms, and I don't really want that, but at least we'll have everything ready so when it's nice weather, we can run a 10 because we're doing it. I fall in love with this car more every time I drive it. I love you, and I'm sorry I didn't clean the wheels, babe. I am. I'm really sorry.
I hate that. I fucking hate that.
You didn't know I was coming in hot, boy.
Fuck you!
If it starts raining, we are screwed in this thing.
I'm sorry to be the water.
Let me tell you, we're screwed.
Oh, well, it's raining now, guys. And,
Yeah, welcome to Florida where it just says partly cloudy, no rain, no nothing. And here we are in a full-blown rainstorm. This feels like sharp needles going through my skin. But the weird thing is I like it. Does that make me emo, Alex? Am I an emo, Chris?
no, you're just kinky, dude.
I am kinky. I like some kinky shit.
It's okay, we all do.
We got 20 minutes. We're 20 minutes away. Here we go. And about 2 minutes later, the rain's gone, roads are dry. Welcome to Florida. Well, 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 am I happy to be out of this hot box right here. We just drove an hour and 12 minutes to Miami. Behind me we have VMS Racing. They have some drag wheels, 4x100, 15 by 8 and 15 by 3.5. So the 15 by 3.5 is going to be going into the front because it's rear-wheel drive. 15 by 8 is going to be going into the rear. We already have the slicks. We just need to find some small tires, but let's not get carried away. The reason why I drove here is because I want to make sure they clear the wheelwood brakes. So let's go inside.
Go.
All right, so jacking up the car right now. It's time to take off my dirty ass keys. Yes, I know, I suck sometimes. I should clean them, but I just haven't done it. I'm sorry. Sorry, Alex.
Yeah, you're sorry.
Hey, look at this.
Oh, you have our
That's why I wanted to test them, because I didn't want to buy them.
Yeah. Ooh, so close.
Yeah, like, barely.
Where is it hitting, on the top or on the side?
Like right here.
Right here?
So it needs like a tiny little space. So yeah, maybe you guys have spaces?
We don't have any space for it right now, do we?
No, I said,
I'm gonna let you borrow 15 mil.
This is so ridiculous.
I mean, you're the one who wants to do the fucking 10-second car type shit, dog.
I expected them to be a little lighter. You know how much this weighs?
12 pounds.
12 pounds! That's heavier than a fucking RPF-1.
And then this one's weigh 15 pounds. The rear ones.
Wait, the other ones weigh 50?
Yeah.
No, that can't be right.
Yeah.
50 pounds for a wheel?
But it's probably putting it to the right areas.
No.
Yeah.
But I know this is 11 or 12, something between
Yeah, that seems about right.
And those are 50.
So guys, I really need to fix this. We drove all the way here with a major boost leak. Jeez. Like my hose clamp isn't even on, so okay. We need to fix that before we hit the drag strip for sure. Alright guys, so with 2 spacers, this wheel does fit. I'm a little nervous because it weighs 12 pounds with in an RPF-1, an Enki weighs 12 pounds also. I don't I thought like the point of getting a skinnier wheel was to make it lighter. All right, so if it's windy, I do apologize, but we're gonna weigh this T with the NT01 tire on it. Hopefully I don't break your scale.
Nah, man, nah.
Jeez. Okay, so this wheel weighs 33 pounds with the tire on it. That's a lot.
Yeah.
All right. The front 15 by 3.5 weighs about 0. All right, so that weighs about,
Yeah, 12 and a half.
yeah, 12 and a half.
Something in that range. Yeah, 12.6.
Yeah.
Yeah, 12.6 I saw.
Yeah.
So 12.6 on the front one.
This one's gonna be a little bit more
Yeah.
tricky, yeah, because it won't.
Wow, I can't believe that's,
14.12.
14 point.
so this one's only 2 pounds heavier.
Yep.
Okay, I wonder how much the slicks weigh that I just bought, but I guess there's no way of telling that. But anyways.
Slicks are very light. What size slick did you buy?
Alright guys, so just test fitted the rear and it does fit. I actually did tighten 2 lug nuts and I took it off and I forgot to show you guys, but take my word for it, this one does fit without any spacers. The front is going to need a 10 mil spacer and I don't know, I think I'm gonna get them. Gotta think about it real quick. VMS Racing has so much stuff for the Civic, I almost just want to start dropping money. I'm kind of tempted to get these Rota grids. Even though they're fake, I don't really care for the Civic. They're 15 by 8s with a 0 offset, so they'll fit so much better than the ones that I have right now. I don't think I can do it though. I kind of want these, dude. I don't care. I just want to be a stance boy again.
Well, you are a stance boy right now.
I know, but I'm too much of a
Flares.
stance boy, dude. No flares. No flares. This place has a lot.
Yeah, this whole rack and you got true spike.
Okay.
All that's true spike.
So these are all lug nuts here. If you guys need lug nuts, hit it up in the bio.
Wheels and
So you guys just stock everything.
wheels. Actually, we're very, very low. We have a container with 1,700 wheels coming in at the end.
Holy crap.
So wheels. We're very
So pretty much someone orders and then right away you guys just send it right out.
Wheels. Yeah, all this empty spots. You see all this empty space? That's supposed to be filled with wheels.
Okay.
And you know, here's more wheel inventory.
Jeez.
And then all the other stuff that we do for VMS Racing.
Wow. Alright guys, so hopefully the wind hasn't been too brutal in this video, but we ended up getting the wheels. They do fit. Like I said, I just need a 10 mil spacer in the front. I'm pretty excited to put some tires on them to see what the weight difference is between the T and these VMS Racing drag wheels, because the T's with the NT01s weigh about 35, 36 pounds, and that's huge. So, we got a wheel right there, we got a bag of goodies, and we got the 15 by 3.5s, and we got one more wheel. We got the jack by Alex's feet, and we got the impact right there. You ready for an hour drive home, boy? Yeah, no, it really wasn't. Hopefully we don't get caught in rain. We only got rain about 45 seconds on the way here, so let's go home. All right, so we are back where we started. I want to see, I wish it wasn't so windy. I want to see how much E85 we actually used. So from here to Miami is 75 miles. Obviously we went there and back, so it's approximately 150 miles. So just put 25 in the gas pump right here. We're gonna see how much he takes, and I'm gonna chug I'm gonna see who wins. Me chugging this Fiji $4 water, $4 for this, and trust me, I'm not a butthurt. I don't usually get Fiji, but it was either this or Dasani. Don't get Dasani. It has sodium in it. It just doesn't taste right. People say water doesn't have a taste. You're a bullshit liar, because Dasani is gross. And what's the other one? Aquafina. Aquafina is gross too. I don't like that either, but I'm rambling at this point. All right, here we go. This. Oh shit. Yeah, not E30. That would have been bad. Oh, I got it all over my car. Suck a dick, honestly. All right, I'm off to a late start here. Here we go. I can't do it, my stomach hurts. Ooh, thirsty bitch. All right, so this thing is an absolute pig. 150 miles, it took 9 gallons. What do these things have, a 10-gallon tank? Dude, we were almost empty. we almost ran out of gas. I raged a little. I didn't rage the whole time. towards the end I started raging because I was like, okay, we're close to home, so 4th, 5th gear pull, not a big deal. Maybe we romped her a bit because my wheels are really dirty. I gotta wash those before it goes back into her little house. But the wheels are still good. These are the front, back. We have a little baggie right there full of goodies. I already told you guys that, but before I do any of this, I want to go back into the shop right now. I want to finish the short throw shifter. Bring it for a drive. Hopefully this wind, hopefully you can't hear it. Bring it for a drive so I can just see if I like it. Because if I don't like it, I'm just going to get a C shifter and we're going to call it a day. Alright guys, so yesterday when I left this, nothing was snugged up, so I snugged up everything. We got the first boot on. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to put the second boot on that goes like so. The arrows show front and back like that. And, yeah, I don't know why. I guess I got to like stretch that over. I can't do this with my hand up. Alrighty, second shift boot is installed. Everything still works. Everything is tight. I meant to paint this, but I'm way too impatient for that, so I'm not going to. Now I'm going to go put the center console in. Very gently, I just got to plug everything in, like the cigarette lighter, this little air vent thing that I still don't know what it is. Yeah, I'm just going to plug it in now. Okay, this is getting exciting. Everything is back together other than this crusty ass shift boot. The reason why I didn't do this short throw shifter right when I got the car is because this crusty shift boot. I didn't want to put my nice new short throw shifter in with a crusty shift boot, so I went ahead and I got this. Do the honors, beautiful. I like your OG shirt.
Thank you.
Only the OG of the OGest have those shirts. It's your favorite. So what do you think's in that box? I know you weren't paying attention to what I said.
Oh no, I wasn't paying.
Yeah. Alright girl, come on. We don't got all day. Oh man. It's a bad idea.
Stop, it's good. Are you excited?
I'm so excited, Courtney.
Oh, good.
Do you know what it is?
No.
You don't know what that is?
Wait, hold on, give me. Oh, I know what this. Wait, let me see.
Okay, don't break it.
I know what it is.
What is it?
It's one of those things that goes for the shifter.
Yeah, but what's it called?
It's called a sock or something.
A sock? I mean, I call it a shift boot. Do people call it socks? It's a you know how much I paid for that, Courtney?
Boot?
A shift boot, yeah. Boot! I'm gonna give him the boot. You know how much I paid for that?
How much?
Guess.
I don't know.
$100.
Really?
Yeah, with shipping. It was kind of expensive, but because it's new and I really wanted it, and I'm stoked on it.
Well, it's alright.
It's alright, give me it. Well, guys, I'm gonna go. Actually, you can watch me do this. This is gonna feel good. It's gonna feel great, actually. Alright, here we go. We're gonna put that into here. Yep, just like so. Alright, Chris.
Is it real leather?
Oh, come on. You're going to ruin my moment, Light? This is it. This is what I paid $100 for, to have that boot. Where's the shift? The Tomei. Courtney.
Oh, I like it.
You like it, huh?
Yeah, it looks really good.
I paid $100 because look at this one. Look how crusty this is.
You know what this looks like?
What?
This looks like the hat from Harry Potter that they put on their head to find out which...
Put it on your head so I can see. Yeah, I know what you mean.
Do you actually?
Yeah, of course. They wore that when they went on the broomstick. Right? The broomstick.
Oh my god.
When they...
No, it's to decide what house you're in.
Oh, I'm lost. Well, anyways, guys, shift boot, sick. Hat, okay. All right, guys, so the GTR is now out of the shop. It's ready to go out to dinner. I just can't wait to test that short throw shifter. If you're wondering who that was Alex. But check out all this stuff that I got from VMS Racing right here. We got the stainless steel lug nuts. I was sick of running the aluminum because it's kind of scary, and I always use an impact with them, and you're not supposed to do that. And I always impact my lug nuts on, so I got the stainless steel ones. This is the 15 by 3.5. We got the slicks from Mickey Thompson right there, 15 by 8 right there. We got some Ricer JDM license plates. I got 3 of them. I got one for the GTR, one for the Roadster, and one just to hang up on the wall because they're kind of cool. So, that's what Marcus thinks. But we're going to Bull, and I just can't wait to test out that short throw shifter. Here we go.
Go.
That's not happening. I missed the truck. Where's the thing that you just put the sunglasses?
They don't have it.
Reverse? Watch me hit someone or something.
Please no.
You ready for the first gear? Here, look at this. Oh, God. Courtney, I hate to say it, that might be better than sex. Alright, I'll take that back.
You're out of your mind.
Ready? Shift. Oh, the notch! Oh my God, Courtney.
Oh my God.
It's arousing. Yeah. I hate this steering wheel's gotta go. I just ordered a Nardi that should be here pretty soon. I love the notch, Courtney. The notch. You know what the notch is? Listen, this is the notch. You hear the notch? Here, I want you to shift it. Here, give me one hand. Ready? Nice, right? Tell me that's not...
Ow, you pinched my finger.
I just want you to feel it. Alright, she's about warmed up. Give her a small pull here. We're still on 93 with altitude, so... We're going to Bull. Alright, so shifter update here. Honestly, I don't know if it's perfect. I don't know if I want more notch. I need to like drive a GTR that has a C shifter in it and really compare the differences. But honestly, a lot of people told me that like this wasn't so much of a short throw, but like it feels good. It has enough resistance to the point where I'm really happy with it. And like every time I shift, it just puts a big smile on my face. And I'm really happy, Courtney.
You're so cute.
I'm so happy. And you got the new shift boot. Courtney, it's coming along.
Good.
It's coming along and I'm so excited. And I haven't eaten all day. And we're going to Bull. Actually, no, I had T-flats with Alex.
Yeah.
Boyfriend date.
Aw.
Oh, I like your shirt.
Thanks.
I already told her that.
Chris,
What?
what are you doing to that?
Pulling on my shift knob. You want to sit on it? Cool. You want to sit on my shift knob? I love it, Courtney. Like I don't remember being this happy ever.
Do what you were doing before.
I was going like this.
No, before that.
Just make me happy, Courtney.
No, you. Oh my God. Oh my God.
She's a fast girl. Are you kidding me, Alex?
Oh.
What a jerk.
Squat up.
What a jerk. We convoyed here. I hate him. You're an asshole, dude.
I'm an asshole.
You know what? Right-hand drive only over there. Dang, I kind of wish we could have took a good picture. Now you ruined it. Whatever, dude. What is this? Alright guys, so we just got back from dinner. You know, I love driving the Brodozer, but I think I'm going to leave her here tonight. And I'm going to drive the good girl home.
Lifter tech.
Why are you going to say that, dude?
Because that's her nickname now.
Lifter tech.
Yeah.
It's Sandy, not Lifter tech. He's got nothing to say, but I'm just going to hop in the GTR. I'm going to drive her home. I can't wait. I'll meet you there. Alright, so I'm home now. I just got done editing the video right there. And let me tell you, GTR drives great. The short throw shifter is great. I just tracked the Nardi. It should be here tomorrow. But the problem is I ordered a cheap hub from eBay and that's not going to be here till like June 1st. I might just try to find like a work spell or something that I can actually get fairly quickly. I just ordered one of those Boss ones for like $12. I figured they always come quick. So I just was gonna order that and just use it for the time being until I find like a work spout with a Roth Sport quick release. And that fucking quick release is like $400. But anyways, guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up. Want to subscribe for more? Subscribe for more. We are going to be putting the slicks on the rear tomorrow. I need to find some front tires for those 15 by 3.5s. I've never ordered tires like that. Honestly, I kind of just want to get 2 donuts and put those tires on it. But I already said the outro. Go down in the bio below, get your junk merch. Check out VMS Racing if you guys want some lug nuts or anything else you need for your car, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Look at my nose. I shaved and now it's all red. Peace out!